Hello stalkers, welcome back. Another positive day in both the markets. DFM especially is performing very well. We can see another green candle above the resistance. This is just perfect. As I had mentioned earlier, market was within this resistance zone that is between 5115 and 5190. Thankfully, market has closed perfectly above the resistance zone. It has taken out this supply area. From here, there are very good chances, if at all it comes down to revisit any of the support zones, we can expect a bounce. For now, it's looking very good to go higher. Next area of resistance that I have identified is at 5296 points, and then we have 5393. These are the next hurdles. Overall, as of now, we can see market was slowly traveling up from around 5000 points. We can see slowly and steadily it's been climbing up, and we saw this solid green candle in yesterday's session. This was quite powerful. Still, I was giving a benefit of doubt that this area is resistance. We might see some resistance. Closing above this proves otherwise. No doubt DFM is in a strong uptrend. We are seeing solid upside momentum. Biggies are performing very well. If at all market wants to correct itself, we have already identified our support zone. Hopefully it will take a bounce and continue climbing higher. Overall, DFM is very bullish. This is the daily chart of ADX market, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Market was traveling within this triangle pattern since so long. Finally today we can see a breakout, but I am not quite confident. Check out the candle, it's a bit negative although it has closed green. Market tried to climb up. Today's high was at 9464 points. It got resisted, could not sustain. Unfortunately, we have been seeing it was just going sideways for more than 3 months, but after the breakout also we are not seeing momentum. This is quite disappointing. Whereas if at all price is moving very tightly within a wedge pattern, when we see a breakout it moves aggressively to the upside. In this scenario we are not seeing, so I'm a bit skeptical, but still since it has crossed this trend line we can give benefit of doubt. However, on the negative side, if at all ADX index comes down again into this wedge pattern, then there are chances it may revisit this trend line somewhat like this, and then maybe it will try another attempt. Hopefully this time it will be a bigger one. If at all we are looking at a very positive scenario, then we should not see it coming back into this zone that is below this trend line. We want to see a continuation. Let's see if it can hit 9563. First thing first, we want to see clearance of 9520, that is resistance area. Overall, ADX market is still slow. We are seeing stocks are picking up. Most of the stocks are at bottom. I have already mentioned in my members video. If you are interested to join our family, scan the QR code and be part of my YouTube membership. Overall, ADX market is still slow. It has to catch up with DFM market. This is the daily chart of Talabat. After it got listed at around 1.70, on the same day itself we saw continuous selling pressure. However, very next day onwards it tried to survive in this zone. This is very important area for the market, that is between 1.48 and 1.52. Market stayed here for about a week and then it dropped. Lowest for Talabat is 1.36. From here it tried to stabilize. It went sideways for about 2 to 3 weeks, and in yesterday's session we saw it attempted to break out. It could not, because this is the same zone where previously market was struggling for a breakout, and from here we saw a drop to the downside. Finally today we can see resistance is now taken out. This was strong threshold that was acting as a supply area, as resistance. Reason is many of the bag holders, when they saw price coming into the same zone, they tried to offload at break even or at minimal losses. Now we can confirm resistance is taken out, so this is looking very interesting and very good. Talabat can climb higher. On the negative side, since resistance is broken with good volumes, this is the time when we say if at all it dips down again into this zone, it should be considered as buying opportunity, and we can see price going up again. Most likely it can visit 1.70 very soon. Tomorrow if it opens flat or with a gap up, there are good chances it can continue going higher. Any entry should always be protected with a stop loss, which should be going below the low of this candle. Yes, the stop loss is now looking a bit bigger, but there are chances trend reversal is already taking place. It can even break out 1.72 and go higher. Talabat is looking interesting till the time it does not get back again below the zone, that is 1.48. In case if it comes down again, which is quite not possible looking at the current scenario, but in case if it does, then it can even come down and go below 1.38 area. We hope this does not happen. I'm expecting a small correction, which is totally fine. If it comes and bounces off from the support, this should be considered as buying opportunity, else small quantities can be added right at the top so that we can ride the trend to the upside. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.